Hi everyone. Back to school season is full on across the country. I think we can do something to support teachers, other educators, school employees, and students in our community. Also, purchasing items of teachers' wish list is a good idea. Fortunately, there are a few ways we can get involved. But thing is, being involved can give you hard times if you don't manage a proper donation shopping list data. Today, I will share a Microsoft Excel technique. You can use this Microsoft Excel technique to maintain your back to school supplies shopping list very easily. It will not only reduce your hassle but also it will give ideas how to solve problems before it arises. So, let us get into it. We have a fixed budget amount $1 lakh for the school supplies. Write this budget in the cell B4 and budget amount in the cell C4. Below budget cell B4, write two more cell for shopped and remaining balance for future use. We also have an item list for shopping. Write those in the items column. To its right, write another column for items categories. We will categorize the items in three sections. These are textbooks, supplies, and clothes. Next to the right, write another three columns for quantities, unit cost, and total cost. In the total cost section, write the formula quantity multiply cost. Next, just copy the formula to all the cells of total cost. After that, write sum function to the shopped balance cell C5. In the remaining balance cell, write the formula budget amount minus shopped amount. Also, write the categories and cost in a separate cell H9 and I9. It will allow you to visualize how those costs separately works. Write textbooks, supplies, and clothes in the categories section. In the cost section, write SUMIF function. Well, this is it, very simple. Now you can see the cost category wise, right? Now, this is the time to put some numbers to cell. As an example, we want to check with quantity 100 and unit cost according to the market value. Okay, easy peasy. We can see shop amount is $27,600. Remaining balance is $72,400. And category wise, we have bought $10,000 textbooks, $3,800 supplies, and $13,800 clothes. Now, if we just simply change the quantity value, we can see the changes in our data. Well, I think this is very cool. Now, this is the time to make it easy for our eyes. Let us insert some charts. For the categories and cost, insert a 2D cluster column chart. Uncheck all the chart elements except the data labels. You can see the categories amount on top of the bars, don't you? Awesome. We will also insert another chart for the percentage of the shopped amounts progress. First, select cell C5 and C6 and find the percentage in the D5 and D6 cell. Now, select according to the D5 and D6 data. Insert a 2D stacked bar chart. Uncheck all the chart elements. Right-click in the orange bar and select Add Data Labels. Now, click the data label. You will see on the right side of Excel sheet, a selection panel will appear. Click the bar label option. In the label position, check just inside base. Click on the data labels. In the formula bar, type equal sign, then click on the D5 cell. You will see data labels percentage changed. Cool. We are done. Now, if we see, this is totally automatic. If we change anything to our shopping list table, changes appear on the other charts and cells. So, if we increase the quantity value to 400, chart shows we are going beyond our budget. So now you can control your back to school supplies shopping list easily. Lastly, there is a social cause going on. We can support teachers and students this back to school season from where we are and donating to groups that provide educators with mental health resources during this trying times are all wonderful ways to make a difference in this world. Please share warm clothes, blankets, socks, gloves, and hats for children, ensuring they have what they need to stay comfortable at home, at school, and everywhere. But remember, providing reading fundamental like free books and literacy resources to make sure that students can grow their skills and develop a love of reading should be top of the list of your shopping list. Keep helping each other. Take care. Tata.